Good morning, Wildcats. Welcome to Wednesday morning. Here are today's announcements. Quick message about thinking positive thoughts. What have you really ever thought about what goes on inside your head? Do you think positive thoughts? Do you think angry thoughts? What do you think about the future? Well, one of the things we need to be aware of is that our thoughts often lead to action. You know that. You've experienced that. A quote from Benjamin Disraeli, a famous British politician, also a famous author. If you want to read one of Disraeli's books, his novel Sybil is probably his most famous or most critically acclaimed. Here's what he said about our thoughts: that we should nurture great thoughts, for you will never go higher than you think. Wildcats, even Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or you can't, you're right. So, you want to go high in life, right? You want to be successful. You want to be a good person. You want to add value. Wildcats, start with your thoughts. Think about what you're thinking and try to maintain positive thoughts, affirming thoughts, helpful thoughts. Don't beat yourself up. Try to stay on the positive side every chance you can. That way, you have a better chance at adding value. Have a great day, Wildcats. We'll talk to you on Thursday. Hey, breakfast.